my seven. I'm ripping in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm bouncing in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
So basically what we're gonna tackle after this car is moved, we're gonna put the cutlass back up. The electric fans, which are right here. So the new electric fans, or the new electric fans, we got the plug to work and all that good stuff. So, alright, so like I was saying, this set of newer fans worked, no issues as far as the plug. So as long as they work, then we good. But they brand new, so we should have no issues. If so, we'll just have to order another set. But this plug, the first part is gonna be, we're gonna have to wire this plug. And then from there, we can do what we need to do. So it looks like we're gonna have two grounds, two separate grounds, and then high speed, low speed. So each of these will have their own fuse on the line, and then either be grounded. And then from there, in the future, when we get ready to take the fan out, all we gotta do is unplug the plug, and then the fan will come out, and then I hardwire it in. So that's the plan. I'm gonna go in here and play the game until he come pick up the car. Hey, so basically what we got here, me and got the cutlass pulled up. Pretty cool G-body, nigga. Pretty cool G-body. Everything else running good other than some slight tuning shit. What I do, like I said, we gotta do the fans. So fans basically gonna have to come up off here, and they're gonna have to be rewired. Basically, I'ma cut probably, say, I need to shorten a lot of these fucking wires. Like, they're just too fucking long. So I'm going to just simply cut I'm gonna just simply cut it right here. I don't know, for the grounds that might be appropriate. I cut way back here. I don't know. Let me look at the plug, man. For the plug is gonna tell you everything you need to know. Alright, so basically it's 4 wires on this bitch. There's 2 different grounds, 2 reds, 2 yellows. 2 greens, 2 greens, 2 yellows. Did I say 2 reds, 2 yellows? I'm like, this nigga colorblind. This nigga colorblind in the bitch. So basically, yeah. So there's 2 wires coming from there. Oh no, I lied. 3 wires. 3 wires, 3 wires, 3 wires. So that's the thing. So I need to make sure I wire this shit right. So originally it's the same 6 wires. 2 yellows, 2 greens, 2 blacks, which is the same way it is over there. So basically what I need to do, the main thing was to take one one of the power wires, because right now they was both pretty much wired on the same one. So I need an additional power wire to run to one of these, I believe. And then the second one will just have an independent fuse of its own. That way that bitch wouldn't blow when both of the fans kick on, because all that current is trying to run through there. And I believe that's partially why this shit is melted like it is. So I fucked that up. Or not, I mean, yeah, I fucked it up. I knew better. I was trying to rush and get the shit done. It is what it is. As far as, but as you can see right now, everything is pretty much just kind of here. So in order to identify the wires, bring this over some so we'll see. So like I said, this is what's gonna get wired into. So we're basically gonna have 2 yellows, 2 greens, and then the 2 separate blacks, which gives grounds to both of them. So technically, I guess, yeah, it would be back down to the 3 wires. So but also, as you know, each one is actually a speed. So one is low speed, one is high speed. Both fans are always running though. So let me, I don't know, like whenever I do this, like I be trying to fucking, I usually do this shit off camera so I can fucking focus. So I basically just gotta cut one of these off for the yellow, cut one of these off for the green, and wire each one of them, bam and bam, and then take the grounds and bam, and then add the line for the second joint, and we'll be good to go. So I'll cut you back on when all this shit's done. Alright, so it done started raining on us, but we pretty much got it wrapped up though. From here, we should be able to turn on the fans, test them out, make sure they're good. Engine diagnostic system, fans. So fan 1. Alright, so coming down even more. We got fan 1 speed. And then when it gets to the second speed, it's gonna kick it up a notch. Alright, and then the second one. So that'll do it. Another one in the books. And we up out of this thing, man. Identify your weaknesses, make your strengths. It will rain on my goddamn day off. I'm trying to get some shit done. Glad I went ahead and knocked them brakes out on that other car last night instead of waiting till this morning, because it would have cut my time even shorter. So As always, remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choice to choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. Gone.